Good morning, class. Today, 27th of November 2020. Again, we are here with our Zoom English class as we are discussing the chapter that is the hack driver, isn't it? This chapter is very much interesting and we have already discussed some of its pages. So, let us revise first some of its paragraphs and then we will proceed to the next page. In the previous class, we have seen that the narrator offered to take Bill, means that hack driver, to a restaurant. But Bill wanted to go home to his wife. He told him that his wife would pack a lunch and she will take $50. Then they would go to the Waits Hill and they would enjoy seeing while eating. The narrator paid him for 6 hours. He charged the whole money to the firm. As they were sitting set at the hill, Bill talked about New Mullion. He described almost everything from the minister wives to the boys. So there, the head driver or the Bill, he described each and everything of the city about the minister wives to the boys, college boys. Bill had traveled a lot of the country. He told that he had traveled a lot of the country and he had many jobs also. Okay. So this much we have already completed. Now let us proceed to page number 50. Page number 50. Last paragraph. We are continuing from the last paragraph. We left that peaceful scene of meadows and woods and resumed our search of Oliver Lutkins. After a lot of talking about Williams and from Minister Parish to the college boys, now they were brought back for their work. They were going to search for Oliver Lutkins. We could not find him. At last, Bill cornered a friend of Lutkins and made him admit what he guessed. Oliver's gone out to his mother's farm 3 miles north. We drove out there laying plants. I know Oliver's mother. She is a terror person. Bill sighed. I took her trunk out there for her once and she almost took my skin off because I didn't treat it like a box of eggs. Now here, Bill and the narrator both resumed their journey to find out Mr. Oliver Lutkins. Bill told the narrator that he knew Lutkins' mother, okay, and his mother was a terror person. Once he went to her, means here Bill described about himself. Once he went to her, and but she took off his skin off. खाली उतार लेते इतनी टेरर टाइप की पर्सन. She was 9 feet tall. Here description is there. She was 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick and quick as a cat. Okay. They went to her. Bill told that who were there. Let us see what is there in the next paragraph. So she is about 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick and quick as a cat, and she sure can talk. I will bet Oliver heard that somebody chasing him, and he has gone on there to hide behind his mother's skirt. Well, we will try her, but you had better let me to do it, boy. You may be great at literature and law, but you haven't had real training in swearing. So here, both these guys, they went to Latkin's mother's house. Bill told her who were there. Okay, Bill ने बताया उसकी mother को कि वो कौन है. Bill told Latkin's mother why the narrator had come to meet Oliver Lutkins. What is the reason behind it? He also told her that the narrator had a legal right to search the place for Ludkins. That is why he had come to see us. ने बताया बिल ने उसकी मदर को कि लीगली ऑफिशियली बाय द कोर्ट दिस नैरेटर हैज कम टू मीट लटकिंस। तो उनके पास कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से वो लटकिंस से मिलने आए हैं और वो मिलके रहेंगे और जो भी पूछताछ वो करना चाहते हैं वो कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ। We drove into a poor farmyard. We were faced by an enormous and cheerful old woman. My guide bravely went up to her and said, "Remember me. I am Bill Magnuson, the carter and hackman. I want to find your son, Oliver. I don't know anything about Oliver, and I don't want to," she shouted. "Now look here, we had just about enough nonsense. This young man represents the court in the city, and we have a legal right to search all property for this Oliver Lutkins." So here, hearing this, the woman went into the kitchen and she heard about it, that she know that this person have come to search for the Oliver Lutkins. Okay, and whatever they want to know information about Oliver, they have to give it anyhow. जो भी चीज की तहकीकात करने नैरेटर आए हैं कोर्ट के थ्रू और जो भी चीज पूछना चाहते हैं उन्हें उसका जवाब देना बहुत जरूरी है। ये बात वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ गए, उसकी मतलब जान गए कि क्या होगा आगे। ओके, नाउ लुक हियर नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ। Now, look here, we have just had enough nonsense. This young man represents the court in the city, and we have a legal right to search all properties for this Oliver Lutkins. The narrator had that power to search all the properties, whatever is lying, whatever is there in the Oliver. Audio mute कर लीजिए, जिसका audio खुला है, please mute it. So whatever the properties Oliver had, the narrator had that power to search all about those things. Bill made me sound very important, and the woman was impressed. So Bill ने इस तरह से present किया और narrator को उसकी mother के सामने की वो impress हो गई. This young man, she retired to the kitchen and we also followed it. Kitchen में गई वो mother and these two young one also followed them. She seized an iron from the old-fashioned stove and marched on us shouting, "You search all you want to. If you don't mind getting burned first," she shouted and laughed at our frightened retreat. So she went to the kitchen and both of us also followed them, and she came out with an iron rod of an old stove. Old stove से iron rod निकाला और बाहर, and she shouted and laughed at them. वो हंसने लगी, चिल्लाई जोर से उस पर हंसने में लगी. "Let's get out of here. She will murder us," Bill whispered. Outside, he said, "Did you see her smile? She was laughing at us." So, when they saw that the mother shouted with a putting her iron rod in her hand and also laughed, the Bill told the narrator to get out of there. You should have to leave this place right now. That woman would murder us. हमें murder कर देगी. They, however, searched the house fully, but Lutkin was not there. Lutkins वहां पे नहीं था. तो नैरेटर ने कहा वो तो लेकिन हंस रही है, मुस्कुरा रही है, उनका इंटेंशन ऐसा नहीं है कि वो हमें कुछ हर्ट करेंगे. I agreed that it was a pretty disrespectful treatment. We did, however, search the house. Since it was only one story high, Bill went round it, peering it at all windows. We examined the barn and stable we were reasonably certain that Lutkins were not there. They searched all where, in the stable, wherever they want to see. उन्होंने सब जगह देखा, मगर ओलिवर का कुछ पता नहीं चला. It was nearly time for me to catch the afternoon train, and Bill drove me to the station. On the way to the city, I worried very little over my failure to find Lutkins. On the way, up कोई chance लगा because afternoon train was there, so the narrator had to return to his own place. So on the way, he was just worried about his own failureness that he didn't able to find out Oliver Lutkins. से बहुत बुरा लगा था narrator को कि वो Oliver को ढूंढ नहीं पाया उस टाउन में. I was too busy thinking about Bill Magnuson that really I considered returning to New Orleans to practice law. If I had found Bill so deep and richly human, might I not go to love Fridge and Gustav and 100 other slow-spoken, simple, wise neighbors? I pictured an honest and happy life beyond the street limits of universities and law firms. I was excited. I had found a treasure. I had discovered a new way of life. So here it was nearly time to catch the train in the afternoon train. Bill drove the narrator to the station. Okay, उसको station पे पहुंचा दिया. The narrator considered returning to New Orleans to practice law. Narrator ने सोचा कि practice के लिए वो एक बार New Orleans जरूर आएगा because he liked that place. He was charmed by everything that he saw and met there. He was very much impressed. Whatever he saw in that town, he was very much impressed by that. He pictured an honest and happy life there beyond the universities and law firms. इस टाउन में उसने एक ऐसा पिक्चर बनाया कि यहाँ पे एक खुशहाली जीवन हो सकता है, एक पीसफुल जीवन हो सकता है. That is why he wanted to practice law there also. He had discovered a new way of life there. He discovered that उसने एक नए जीवन की खोज कर ली थी. ये टाउन में आके उसे ऐसा लगा. Okay, next paragraph. But if I did not think much about that case, the office did. I found them all upset. Next morning, the case was coming up in the court, and they had to have Lutkins. I was a shameless, useless fool. That page turn, morning, my promising legal career almost came to an end before it had begun. The chief almost murdered me. He hinted that I might do well at digging ditches. I was ordered back to New Orleans, and with me went a man who had worked with Lutkins. So, everybody in the next morning, everybody in the office was very much upset. Next morning, the case was coming up in the court. Court में सुनवाई थी next. And they had to have Lutkins. और उन्होंने उम्मीद की कि Lutkins आज आएगा. The narrator was shameless at not serving summons on Lutkins. अपना summon वो उसको Lutkins तक पहुंचा नहीं पाया. तो Lutkins कोर्ट में कैसे आया? The chief almost murdered the narrator for his failure. तुम इतने असफल इंसान हो कि तुम्हें जो काम करने के लिए बोला था during the training period you didn't did it. It is a question mark in the narrator's life also. He was ordered back to New Orleans. Again, order given to him. Go back to New Orleans. And this time, a man who had worked with Lutkins went with him. Okay, he was to recognize that. Right? This time, the court gave order to the narrator that this time a man will go along with you, can able to recognize Oliver Lutkins. उसके साथ ये भेजा गया कि एक ऐसे पर्सन को भेजा गया जो ओलिवर को जानता है, पहचानता और देखा भी. Right? Next paragraph. When the train when the train arrived at New Millennium, Bill was on the station platform near his cart. Strangely enough, that old tigress Nutkin's mother was there, talking and laughing with Bill, not quarreling at all. From the train steps, I pointed Bill out to my companion and said, "There is a fine fellow, a real man. I spent a day with him." "He helped you hunt for Oliver Lutkins?" "Yes, he helped me a lot." "He must have. He is Lutkins himself." So the train, so both the guys, they went to the New Mullion, and the train arrived at that New Mullion town. The narrator saw Bill on the platform near his car. He saw the same side that Bill was there on the at the station. The old tigress. Here, old tigress is compared to mother of Oliver Lutkins. Okay, Lutkins' mother. The old tigress, Lutkins' mother, was also there with him. Bill के साथ थी. She was talking and laughing with Bill. Bill के साथ बातें कर रही थी, हंस रही थी. She was not at all quarreling or shouting at him. The narrator pointed to Bill. Narrator pointed to Bill. He said that he had spent a whole day. He had spent a whole day with that fine fellow. Narrator told the man that he had spent the whole day with that fellow. The man asked him if that man had helped him find Lutkins. क्या उसने Lutkins को ढूंढने में तुम्हारी मदद की थी? The narrator replied that yes, he had. वही है. The man told him that the man himself was Oliver Lutkins. वो खुद ही Oliver Lutkins. वो क्या तुम्हें ढूंढने में पता कर? So the next paragraph. What really hurt me was that when I served the summon, Lutkins and his mother laughed at me as though I were a bright boy of 7. With loving kindness, they begged me to go with them to a neighbor's house for a cup of coffee. I told them about you, and they are anxious to look at you, said Lutkins joyfully. They are about the only folks in the town that missed seeing you yesterday. So he told that the narrator served summons on Lutkins. Lutkins and his mother laughed at him. जब सम्मन दिया उसने, उसकी मदर और ओलिवर दोनों उस पे हंसी. As if he were a boy of 7, जैसे 7 साल का कोई बच्चा है, ठीक है ना, एक छोटा बच्चा है. They begged him to have a cup of coffee in a neighbor's house. उन्होंने उसे कहा कि अपने पड़ोसी के घर में cup of coffee जरूर पिएगा, है ना. Means they are laughed at narrative कि उन्होंने पूरे दिन भर उनसे भी. But the narrator was not able to recognize that the hack driver was himself Oliver Lutkins. Okay, so this is all about your story, the hack driver. I hope that it must be clear to you, isn't it?